Yeah, hello, Goban here. You know, when you're buying fertilizer from the plant shop, you never say what it actually is, do you? You never say, can I buy a bag of shit, do you? Because you're too polite to say that. So I wonder what will happen if one day I go there and I say, I want to buy a bag of shit. How much shit do you have? My plants need the shit so they can grow beautifully. And you can, don't people privately sell shit? And then they say, oh, $10 per kilo of shit. You know, it should be more honest because we can't just sort of make it all fancy with the fertilizer. It's still shit you're selling, so you can't just make it all. There's no way to make it fancy at all. Shit is never fancy. You can't. Doesn't matter what brand it is. Doesn't matter if it's the premium shit or the standard shit. It's just shit, isn't it? Thank you.